Hi guys, we're going to be posting a series of videos where we're going to be looking at the A-level edXL curriculum for maths. These videos are designed just to be a supplement for you guys, just in case you are maybe unsure on certain stuff. And they're all going to be like 5 to 10 minutes long, so they're going to be quite quick and on the basis that you guys have already learned this a bit, or it can also be a series of videos which might help you prepare for future exams or future lessons. If you guys have any questions, maybe just leave comments below and we'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. But we're going to go through the A-level textbooks. So in this series, we're going to go through the pure books, and more specifically, we're going to go by chapter, so it's quite easy to follow along. So starting straight away, we're going to be looking at chapter 1, where we're looking at index laws. So once again, as I said, it's a brief recap. So I've written out here some of the index laws. So you can see here that ax times ay is ax plus y, ax divided by ay is ax minus y, ax in brackets to the power of y is ax times y, and ab to the power of x is a to the x, b to the x. Right, so these only work if the base, we call this the base, is the same. So that's why I've written them as a. So if the base is different, so example, if you say like 2 to the squared times 2 cubed, then I can say it's 2 squared plus 2 to the 2 plus 3, which is 2 to the 5. However, if I say 2 squared times 3 cubed, because these bases are different, this one and this one here are different, we can't apply the index laws. Okay, so this only works when the bases are the same. So very briefly, let's just go through some simple questions. So some of these questions here, maybe let's start off with J first. So we can say 8 pi to the 4 divided by 4p cubed. So just link the same bases together. So technically 8 and 4 are just numbers, so we can just divide them separately. So that's just 2. And we have p, right? So it's divided means the powers are subtracted from each other. So 4 minus 3, leaving us with 2p, basically. Let's try maybe this m here. So we have 9x squared times 3 times x squared cubed. Right, so first things first, we're going to simple each one separately. So let's just leave this as 9x squared multiplied by. Now this term here, this is x squared and then that's raised to the cubed. It's the same thing as 3 times x to the power of 6, 2 times 3. And so now we can look at the same basis. So 9 and 3 are just numbers. I can just multiply them together, so it's 27. And then we get x squared times x to the 6. So it's going to be 2 plus 6, giving us 27x to the power of 8. Right, let's maybe try this L here. So we have 21a cubed b to the power of 7 divided by 7a b to the power of 4. Once again, just think about the ones with the same basis. So 21 and 7, just divide out with 3. A cubed divided by a, so it's a3 minus 1, times by b7 minus 4, leaving us with 3a squared b to the power of 3, like this. Maybe let's just try one more, so we can say this one here, q. So we have 2a cubed divided by 3a squared multiplied by 6a to the 5. Once again, look at the numbers first. So it's 2 divided by 3 times 6, and then times by a cubed, divided by 2, so it's minus 2, times by is plus 5. So we're going to get 12, 4a, 3, 1, 6, 4a to the power of 6. So as long as you follow the rules for the indices, then all these kind of simple stuff should be relatively easy to do.